Hello students, today I will be talking about how materials and design is changing the world. These concept, material science and product design itself is changing, and together they are changing the world. So what happened, like 2 days back I was going through an article by Peter Diamandis, the founder of Singularity University, and in that article he has written that material science is the unsung hero of the current technological development. After reading the article, I was thinking, as a teacher of mechanical engineering subjects, what subjects what we teach here in 4 year courses contributing to the most to the technological development of the society. So finally, I identified two things, two courses. One is product design, and the second one is material science. Okay, so first I will be taking about first we will be taking the product design. So if you will think about 50 years back, so at that time, thinking about product design is something like you have to there will be industrial designer. It's a very dedicated, specialized subject. So you have to think about drafter, draftsman, and not everybody can try these things. Even some in 2001, when I went to do training in HEC Ranchi, I saw that there is a dedicated place for draftsman, and so many things were still there on the drawing, right, on the drawing sheet. So it was like that, but things started changing. So what contributed to the change? Okay, so I think I attribute these 4 5 things which I attributed to the change in like the design concept itself. So first one is, I will tell, the first one is the concept of user-friendly design. So this user-friendly design concept is given by Don Norman in a book around 35 years back. He has given some examples, like every like the product every day we use, something like door. We always get confused whether it is we have to pull. Second one is, I will tell you, it's a Apple founder. Uh, it's Steve Jobs. Though he through not through journal paper article, he has written at books. He has written, and he has written that what should be the design, the product design, concept of product design, rather through regular interval of his product, like Mac, iPod, iPhone. Through these products at coming out at regular interval, he has shown that what should be the design. He redefined the concept of product design. So this is the second thing I think immensely helped to to change the perception I have about design. And the third one I will tell is software. The design software in 1980s, you will find that a company led by Autodesk, they started making desktop software for desktop computer. And for after that, now if you see, it's so these software are having like very good capability. So I mean, it saves lots of time, and it gives a lot of capability to designer. So these things, I think these things also contributed a lot. And I mean, it saved a lot of time. And now you can collaborate with your colleague, your friend, somebody sitting in Korea or USA. So you can collaborate. Now we are having, you will see, dedicated website where you can put your design, and somebody can pay you the money, or open source, they can just download it and just customize it according to need, and it's done. So this is the third thing. And the fourth thing, I will tell you the features, like now we are having software which is having capability of generative design. So in generative design, what happens? So what is generative design? In generative design, what we do, we give the software to our requirement, whatever we have the objective, and we give the constant materials, everything, And then after that the software through using the algorithm, evolutionary algorithm, but it comes with permutation of so many design, and you can choose any design according to a requirement. So and the last one, I think it's immensely contributing to the concept of design is 3D printing. So how 3D printing? Suppose last 10 years, what happened that you will see that the price of 3D printer is has gone down drastically, and now it is quite affordable to keep the 3D printer, desktop 3D printer at your home also. So you can make a design, and a common man make a design, and then he can earlier it was not it was not possible to see how it looks, like physically it will look. So you have to make the clay model or something like that. But now you can just 3D print it and see that how it looks. If there is some changes, you can always make changes, and it is good for the mass production, right? So this is the way it is changing. Now suppose we are having this mobile phone, right? So this mobile phone, if we talk about this mobile phone, so how much it cost? It cost around $100. But if you will see, like 100 years, 40 years back, 1980, suppose, then according to one estimate, if the same mobile phone you will try to make, it would have cost you more than $100 million. So similarly, if you want to make the same mobile phone uh, 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 in like 40 years back, it would have taken a lot of space, like four-story building. And now you keep this. We know that we keep this mobile in our pocket, right? So this is the changes we are seeing. Other thing is, I mean, this mobile phone, the same mobile phone earlier was, if only one mobile phone somebody has made, like all research laboratory together. But now everybody, more than 3 billion people are using this mobile phone. They are carrying the mobile phone. So this is the way the product design concept itself evolving, and it is giving. I mean, it is contributing immensely to the technological development of the society. Okay, so